Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Just wanted to do an update on the garage build. We came in and we added some more drip edge, and we finished up all the concrete around the bottom plate, so everything's nice and sealed and tight. We did silicone the drip edge, so we've been getting quite a lot of rain, and we're just making it secure for the snow season coming up. That way we know it's not leaking anywhere and the water drains properly off the property, so no water's coming in. But the elastomeric roof coating worked out great. I haven't noticed any change in the color since I've tinted it. It's holding up nice. And we've been working on these front doors here. We did put a garage door outer seal on the exterior of the doors, and then we did pour a curb, which is working out great, and we made a trench and diverted with some leach rock, so everything's kind of tapered and doesn't flood into the building at all. And we did get some more carpet, so it's all fully carpeted pretty much. And we got some lighting up and some posters. It's pretty much our kickback area and a spot to put our side-by-side. And everything's working out good. We are still thinking about putting our solar system there on that plywood and making a rack at some point on the outside of the building. But you can see here we got our hardware kind of organized, and then we built this kind of shelf little box to keep them up off the ground and level, so it works out great. And we got our TV mounted. Our stereo's all hooked up, and we got a new area for all our tools down there. That new shelf I built. And I do have later in the video some video of all the lighting that we did. We have black lights in here. It just looks pretty cool at night when we're hanging out, drinking some beer, watching some YouTube. We just temp these on. We're gonna put some pine up there to make kind of a frame so that these wrinkles get out of these, and so it looks a lot better. So we're gonna frame that out with pine and put up some more black lights. But in this video I kind of did an update on this build, as well as I have some welding projects and some stuff I just wanted to talk about later in the video. And this building's working out good. It's not too hot in here. We did put in some little 6-inch kind of directional fans at the peak to kind of move some air around. It's nice, so when you walk in you can hit either switch and either side of these lights and fans come on, so depending on if you want them both on or off. And we made a little collage wall. We lost my mom last Christmas, so my dad's been going through old memory photos and made a collage, which is really beautiful. And we got our Roku set up so we can watch YouTube or Netflix out here, which is cool. And it's nice having this carpet in. And we did get the door trim in, so that's all sealed up around that. As well as we did put some rubber base basically down as the back door seal, which is working out good on the door. And we made that rebar slide bolt, so it holds the doors nice and tight. But at least we got plenty of room to put our solar right here. And we do have space to put a deep freezer next to that refrigerator, a little one. And it's working out good. So in 2020, I decided to purchase a welder from Harbor Freight and learn how to start welding. And metal is pretty pricey, so I wanted to see if I can find scrap metal in town locally. And I did go to some box stores and salvage some metal. And these here are some crates that they use for shipping for like side by sides or machinery. So I did score on a lot of this type of metal and built quite a bit of things with it, just to learn how to fabricate. So I just want to do a slideshow on what I've kind of built. I've built more things than this, but these are just some things that I thought were kind of cool that I wanted to show. And just, you never know what you can find in town locally, which people are wanting to just clean up and get rid of. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, I would highly recommend hitting up local businesses and seeing what they have. But yeah, stay tuned, and here's the slideshow. I was visiting with my niece one weekend and she wanted to learn how to weld, so I figured we would make a rocket stove. I've never made one, so I figured that would have been a fun project to do with her. And I also have a shed build coming up that my father and I built for a little tool shed for myself. And then some landscaping work we've done in the back of the property, and then I kind of went around and just did a little tour of our property. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. this picture here, in the upcoming clips, we built a tool storage shed. I got a heavy-duty pallet from work that we used for the floor, framed up some walls, and tied the roof into an existing utility shed. And it's working out great for my tool storage needs. So check it out. Thanks for watching.